Hey guys, it's River here, and the reason why it's dark because I want to play the new version of Sonic.exe. Check it out. Well, it's about time. Well, the thing is, I haven't played Sonic.exe for a while since version 5, but I'm ready to play the new version to see what's new. Alright, let me get this thing on. Okay, these are all my videos. See? I downloaded a new one, and this is the old version. Yeah, so I'm ready to play it. Alright, let's get started. Hold on, let me volume up a bit. Oh, that's new. Good old times. 3 classic characters. Alright, let me see. Let me push the space button. Huh? It doesn't work. Hold on, let me press enter. Oh, there we go. It works. It used to be to push the space button before. Huh? Oh, here comes old times with that Green Hill Zone and play as Tails. Oh my gosh. Why the music is we keep mixing up? Okay. And look at that time. And the rings. Well, they're kind of a bit the same. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at all these dead animals here. Oh my gosh. In the old version, Tails used to slide before, but in this version, not anymore. I still remember that I played this. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go back just in case if there's a troll face is still there, because I think the latest version had a troll face in this, but I hope this version has a troll face. Okay. Gotta keep going. Okay. Whoa! Whoa. Whoa! What's going on? Well, that's new. I don't remember this one. Wait. Oh. Now this new version can let me jump. Cool. Okay, what is going on around here? Okay. Wait, there's Sonic! What if I touch him? Still doing that thing. The fire awaits. Okay, now I'm back to the Green Hill. Okay. Wait. Let me go back. Whoa, what is that? Whoa! Wait. I earned a negative ring? What? Okay. I don't know what's going on now. Alright. Gonna keep moving. Oh, I thought I seen something. Gonna keep moving. Wait. Oh my gosh, here's Sonic.exe beat right behind the tree. Whoa. Okay. So the music stops again. Uh-oh. I wonder what these negative rings for. Okay, you're putting the static too loud. Okay, why is the music still playing from the main menu one? Whoa!
Do you want to play with me?
Well, that's new. Voice actor. But that voice actor looks cool. Whoa. I don't remember this one. I can still jump. I want to keep jumping. Okay. Boing. Ah. Whoa. Uh-oh. I gotta run away just like the old version. No. Get away. Get away from me. Get away. Ah. Come on. Okay.
Your heart.
Uh-oh.
You're too slow. Want to try again?
No, I don't want to try again. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up is Knuckles. Alright. Okay. But I still don't get it though. What's with the negative rings? Okay, I'm gonna try to go back again to see. Oh, that's new. Look at this. Wait, let me push X. It can let me punch. Okay then. But what it has to do? Punch Sonic? Whoa! Whoa, what's going on? What? Don't like playing by the rules? I don't like playing the rules, dummy. F. Whoa! What is going on? Wait, you're fun to play with Daniel? Who is that? But this is my world. Oh yeah? This is gonna be my world too. Won't be long now. Okay. Soon, Daniel will be joining us. Who's Daniel, by the way? Okay. Don't know who that person is. Are you listening? Okay. Wait. You're next? Whoa, that scared me. You can't run. Okay, let me go back and see if there's any more negative rings. Okay, let me go back. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is epic, though. Man, I think I really like this new version. Negative rings. I wonder if they have some secrets. Well, it is a secret, though. Okay. That's gonna take long. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna keep on running and ignore the statics. Yeah, I already know. Wow. Okay, the reason why I want to skip because I already know what happens back in the old version and it's getting old, so I decided to skip it. Okay, next up is Eggman. Okay, I'm ready as Eggman to see if there's any more secrets. Alright. I'm gonna go back. Huh? What? What's going on? How come I can go back? I want more negative rings. Okay. Okay, let me go back. Just in case. This is gonna take a while. Oh, never mind then. Ooh. Where the heck am I?
I will strip the flesh from your body.
Uh-oh. Okay, I assume I gotta hurry. Before this thing is going down, whatever. Okay. Oh. Why do you keep fighting, Daniel? My game has only just begun. Whoa! Okay. Alright, we're back again. Oh, got a third negative ring. Okay. Okay, I gotta stop right now because I already know what happens next. Okay, there we go. I still can't go back. In the old version it lets me. Alright. So the reason I want to stop because my camera's almost out of battery. Whoa. Well, I already know what happens next. Okay. Okay, what is this? Oh! Oh, that's new! Dang. That's a really cool art style of Sonic.exe. Whoa, look, you're really terrifying, man. Someone out. Whoa. I am God. Doesn't make any sense because, wait, I'm not sure if it makes sense, but it's supposed to mean I am a God. Not I am God. Well, I don't know. Wait, what?
Ready for round two.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for round two, man. Alright, Sonic, what do you want from me? Oh, that's a new game over screen. See, there's Sonic.exe, it's Tails. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, what is this? There's a way to release our selfless spell to obtain our souls once more, but we must speak it. But when we speak, no sound, we all deaf. So failure is inevitable, and I regret ever entering my internal bent. With the devil inside of me, Immortality versus Soul Snatching, Gary Crook versus Jake Snaley. I don't know who that is. A edition is overrated. Okay, I don't know what that means. Well, that is some kind of a new message. Whoa! I can play as Sonic now! Alright. You had a chance to comply, now you come too far? Okay, since I got all the negative rings, what should I do with them? Can you hear me, Dim? They're running... Oh! Whoa! Oh! They're trying to tell you something. Okay. There's someone that goes out of nowhere. Whoa! Wow. Oh, playing with them was such fun. Almost as fun as you, Daniel. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that score time rings. They're backwards. Just like in the old version. There was Gary and Jake and Kyle and Alice and so many, many more. Okay. I don't know what's happening now. Okay, this is getting creepy. Is time your soul joined theirs, Daniel? Whoa, look at this. That's new. That's a really smooth animation or animate, whatever that is. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They're disappearing. Score time. Rings. Oh. Okay. Okay, what's next? I just keep going. Oh! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh, that's a new photo. Pretty scary though. Okay, what else? Is there more? Huh? I don't know what kind of a language is this, but I don't understand this. So, I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese. If anyone of you is Chinese or Japanese, can you please translate that so I can know what is this, what's the meaning of in English? Well, wait, is that it? I think that's it. Man, he never gives up, didn't he? Well, this is Redbird. Thank you for watching that, playing the new version of Sonic.exe. This is Redbird. Bye-bye. Okay. Man, Sonic.exe never gives up.